Hi, my name is Aviel. I'm Israel, the super guy, and I welcome you guys into my channel. Guys, I'm also the author, the self-publisher, the writer, the editor, and photographer of the book, The Land of the Messiah. And this is an extension to the book. So now what is coming up? Well, Ashdod, but from the air. So guys, stay tuned and don't go away. Alright my friend, I hope you have enjoyed the video as much as I did making it for you. If this is the case, then let me then invite you to subscribe to my channel, to hit the notification, so every time I upload a new video, you will know right away. As well, if you want a copy of this book and you want to support the channel, the link are below. And I'll appreciate that as well. I can even sign it for you if that is what you would like to. Then guys, my name is Aviel. I'm Israel, the super guy, and I see you in the next video. Bye then.